Hello logoper, good morning. Today I am here in the Islakhata Swiss cat guys to see how the people are collecting peas. Look, so many people are collecting peas at this time guys. This is the Islakhata Swiss cat guys. Look, Boro people and Adivasi also alternately collecting peas at this time guys. Look, water is becoming dry up guys. Look, only you can see here muddy guys. Look. Because people are fishing peas and collecting. Look, so many people are collecting peas at this time because this small leg is protected now. That's why people are coming to catch peas. Look, so many people are collecting peas at this time guys. Look, some people are using traditional technique netting. Tangar mas paw na naki.
Oh, na de.
Kiman paise?
Bosor paw na, jaw bosor paise.
Nai, empty. Masi nai, na? Look, still people are collecting fish, guys. Look, and this is the Islakhata Swiss cat, guys. Look, crowded people, guys. Look, only you will get to see people crowded here, guys. If you want to see, then come here in the Islakhata Swiss cat, guys. Look, crowded everywhere. Only you can see here people and people, guys. Look, everywhere crowded, huge. This is the muddy, everywhere muddy, guys. Look, people are collecting fish. Look, parli sarli phone na ki phone na. Oi, bundu phone ai. Parli phone ai. Oh, look. Girls are also collecting fish, guys, at this time. Look, beside the feeding field. Kids are also collecting fish, guys. Look. How na bundu? Murah kena apa? Isi munbai. Noi nap sticky munbai nai deh logoper. Look, only you can see here muddy, guys. Look, water is flowing slowly, and water is becoming subsided everywhere, guys. Look. Monakhai nama madoi? Parli thalli monakhai? Ayu. Monakhai na? Fungawno hगारथारदों na? Still people are collecting fish, guys, at this time, and this is the Islakhata Swiss cat, guys, and this Islakhata Swiss cat is located in Chirang district. That means near the Lauti river, guys, and if you want to catching fish, then come here in the Islakhata, guys. Lot of fish you will get, guys. Look, and at this time the weather is very quiet and lovely, guys, and I'm very enjoying at this time, guys. Look how people are collecting fish. Look, crowded people, guys. Look, the Islakhata Swiss cat, guys, to see how the people are collecting fish. Look, so many people are collecting fish at this time, guys. This is the Islakhata Swiss cat, guys. Look, Boro people and Adivasi also alternately collecting peas at this time, guys. Look, water is becoming dry up, guys. Look, only you can see here muddy, guys. Look. Oh, madoi. Ayu nih, isur zaman ke lai kuya.
Kuya nih.
Kuya. Only napstikri. Napstikri lo. Fungawno hगारथारदों na? सोरबा सोरबा बारलिफोर मोनबाय खोमा ना?
जि सारनायफ्रा मोनबाय मालाय।
है रिजाय। Look, guys, still collecting fish. Wow. Look. still. Look, beautiful moment, guys. Incredible moment. Still, people are collecting fish, guys. Not enough. Not getting big fish, guys. Only small fish they are collecting. Look. Parli burung menakin nama mansra. This is the islakhata swissket, guys, and if you want to see how people are collecting fish, then come here in the islakhata swissket, guys. Look, and everywhere only people. Look, everywhere surrounded by the only people. Pawana naki dangar mas. Munake naki dirmate. Stick lo nama. Around this place only you can able to see people and people, guys, crowded people. Look, huge. Oh my God! Look, this is the fish, small fish. Singu wasi naki, lagao. These are good. Look, they all are the Adivasi women. They have lot of experience and they know how to collecting fish with the net. Utao. Sob kiba khadong. Nai. Only small fish, guys. Look. Nap stickri. Haku na. Haku mineya. Look, they all are the Adivasi people and Adivasi women also collecting fish, guys, at this time. Look, people are busy. People are busy to catching fish at this time, guys. Look how people are collecting fish with the different styles, guys. Look, some people are using different kind of netting system, and some people are collecting fish with the hands, guys. Look. Pawana naki bundu. Utao. Look, they are collecting fish at this time, and he has lot of experience and how to know collecting fish, guys, and they all are the Adivasi boy.
Hey, English dia buja na pai. Santal dia ko.
Haku mineya.
Nale na bo.
Guys, look.
They
They are very expert, guys. Look. Still they are collecting with the hands. By using hands, guys. Look. Under the jungle, they are collecting fish with the hands. Look how they are collecting fish. Look, under the jungles, the water is very dirty and becoming so muddy, guys. Look. They are enjoying lot of guys by catching fish at this time, guys. This is small fish, fitikri. छोटा सा मछली पकड़ गया वो लोग अभी. बड़ा मछली नहीं मिला है ना. Look, auntie also smiling, guys. Pawana auntie. Kala. খাওয়া না নাকি বন্ধু
পাইছে 1 কেজি
আচ্ছা look still people are collecting fish guys look they are using netting मुस्रिजोंबो हयो लोगोफोर फैनो हागोन इस्लाखाटा सुइस गेट गोबां मानसिफ्रा ना हमगासिनो दं फैनो हागोन फुंनिफ्रायनो हगारथारदों फायसेना फनाय सब घराय look this is the fish bucket nasrai that means fitikri crab also getting lot of fish guys look different types of fish then colorful fish guys look parli sarli phone naki manu gila haisena ha oi zuminir pura ahena ei phanita na this islakhata lake is beside the Lauti river guys and if you want to see this beautiful islakhata Swiss gate then come here in the islakhata guys look still people are collecting fish at this time and some people are going back from this islakhata gate look how they are collecting fish with their own hands look here also look guys Boro girls also coming to fishing fish at this time look monakhai nama nani naya isuja monkhो dilai ayo नै नायदो माबायदि ना मोनदों लथबखा नास्राय खांख्राइबो दं ना औ इस्लाखाटायाव फैनो हागोन लोगोफोर मानसिफोरा बिजिथार गिदिर ना मोनबाय नायदो माबायदि नाखौ हमगासिनो दं मानसिफोरा सोरबा जेजों हमदों आखाइजोंबो हमदों एक्सपार्ट गोजाखा ना हमनायाव हेल' लोगोफोर बे टाइमाव इस्लाखाटायाव दंफैयो सुइस गेट हगारदों गोबां मानसिफ्रानो ना हमगासिनो दङ दाबो आरो हेलिकप्टारबो फैबावबायसो नै ना सारनायखौ नायनो वाव डेन्जारखा गोथौखा जेरैथिंबो मानसिफ्रा ना हमगासिनो दङ बे टाइमाव फुंनिफ्रायनो ना हमगासिनो दङ सोरबा बारलिबो मोनबाय people are collecting fish till now at this time guys look and this is the islakhata Swiss gate oh khale monakhai barli ha monakhai look guys people are still collecting fish some people are using netting and some people are catching fish with the hands look guys this is the islakhata Swiss gate still people are collecting fish at this time मोनाखै ना मा दै ना गिदिर मासेबो गैया बारलि मोनथाराखै ए फुङावनो हगारथारदों ना look this is the stones so many stones guys look biggest stones also look this is the khobai look sticky and different types of fish they are caught already look ayo अन्थाइ दंजोबथारो गिदिर-गिदिरथार अन्थाइ दं गोथौथार नामा बेलाय people are busy to the catching fish at this time guys some people are getting big fish and some people are not still getting any kind of fish look someone is hiding under the water like fish because he was hiding under the water to collecting fish from the underground water guys look people are still collecting fish with their hands look guys people are busy till now to catch fish guys look everywhere only you can see people and also women also coming to fishing fish at this time look and water is becoming dry up and water is subsided everywhere. Look, and water is looking like very muddy and water is not clear, guys. Look. Mundung to. Look, what a colorful fish. Nasra eel fish also, guys, and tengana and kawi also. Look. Tu hisa nang na? दासिमबो मानसिफ्रा हमगासिनो दङ नाखौ लोगोफोर इस्लाकाटा सुइस गेटआव look still people are collecting fish at this time guys look crowded people are busy for the catching fish guys look this is the Islakata Swiss cat look how people are collecting fish at this time look Boro people and Adivasi people also collecting fish all togetherly at this time guys look and at this time the weather is very lovely and clear and pleasant and quiet guys look beautiful this is the beautiful moment guys look huge people busy for the catching fish guys look दासिमबो मानसिफ्रा ना हमगासिनो दङ इस्लाकाटायाव नै माथो आयंबो फैदो मोनाखै ए नास्राय इरि ना नै आयंआबो ना हमगासिनो दङ दा आयंखौसो लोगो मोनफैबाय एक मना पाइसे नाखि दिदी पाइसे ना look still people are collecting fish and kids also collecting fish guys look they all are the Adivasi women look how they are all togetherly collecting fish look लथासे मोनबाय नामा मादै look मादैया माबादि ना हमो नायदो नै लोगोफोर एक्सपार्ट काटा ना हमनायाव मादै नास्रायखौल' हमखायो दा look मादैया हाग्रा सिङाव नास्राय हमगासिनो दं नै लोगोफोर नायदो फुङावनो हगारथारदों खोमा नै मादैयाबो मिनिलायबावबायसो ना मोनसोथारबायदां आन्टी इज स्माइलिं गाइस look this is the underground jungles look water is flowing very speedily and water is not clear guys look this is the Adivasi woman all women still she is very expert of the collecting fish this water is coming from the PD field that means rice plant oh my god মাছ পাইছে না পাও নাই পাইছে এটো এক মোনা look so many colorful fish guys nasrai kibaw paise naki khekra paise eel fish also guys and nathur also look colorful fish guys
Itaya, opus kate umi thir kena.
Humase naki yate
Mai ding na. Ha?
Yate humase
Paisu. Yate ase yes.
Small fish.
Paise. War duita paisu. Boali tu duta paise. Duta paise. Bami mas paise ekta.
Bami paise na?
3 kg. Bami paise ekta 3 kg. 5 kg man hoy jabo niki.
Bamiबो मोनबायनो लोगोफोर ना गिदिर मोनाखै नामा मादै मोनाखै ना सिंगि गावदों बे दैया माइबारिनिफ्राय फैयो दैया मोनाखै नामा आदा बामि मोजां हमथार दे मुस्रिसो साथेनांगौमोनलै गुदुं दंमोन नामा होमबालाय हाबबाय बेयो गुदुङाव नै आदैयाबो बामि हमगासिनो दं गिदिरथारमोन जाहैदों बामिया गैया हमलुनबायल' गिदिरमोन ना आधा केजि जागौमोन नामा जागोन ना आदैया दाबो बामि हमगासिनो दं मास पावा नाय अलप फायसे ना मोनाखै आदै गथ'फ्राबो नै एक्सपार्ट गोजाखा हमगासिनो दङ बिसोरबो ना दा हाब्रु जाजोब्बाय नै गाग्लिनो हाखौ मिनाया बाबु बम्बय वाव hey बहुत दङ आसे रे they all are the Adivasi all together collecting fish guys look they are very expert and they have lot of experience guys look beside this place you can able to see PDP also guys look power nine mas power nine look all men also still expert look how he is smiling guys एक मोना पाइसे नाकि देखाव तो देखाव मासटा कि मास पाइसे नाय ना he is shying guys he is running away guys because he is shy guys look he don't want to show me the fish पाइसे नाकि ना पावनाय उठाओ This is the one kind of traditional technique for the collecting fish guys look auntie smiling nice zero সব ছোট ওই যে কিবা আছে ফাইটার আছে এটা খাওয়া যায় তো বহুত টেস্টি আছে এটা दासिमबो मानसिफ्रा ना हमगासिनो दं नै दैयाबो फैफिनबाय माइ बारिबो दंजोबो बाहाय जेरावबो ना हमगासिनो दं नै हाग्रा बारियावबो मानसिफ्रा ना हमबावो नै लोगोफोर मोनाखै नामा मादै ना बामिफोर मोनाखै बामि नै बालथिंसे मोनथारबाय दां मादै मोनहा नै खबायाव मोनबाय नास्राय गोजा आरो गांजेमाबो बाव फुङावनो हगारथारदोंदां ना गेटखौ नै दासिमबो हमगासिनो दं मादै मोनहा बोथियाबो मोनो नामा ए मानै माथाम ना ए मानसिफ्रा पुरा बिजि दासिमबो ना हमगासिनो दं सोरबा गिदिर मोनथारबायनो आरो सोरबा गांजेमाखौनो माबा मोनबाय जाहैदों मा होनो बथलसे माने खबाइसे look they are the Adivasi girls they are collecting fish at this time with their own hands guys मोनाखै नामा मादै एसेल' मोनदों ना गिदिर मोनाखै बामिफोर फिसा फिसा ना आदसा हमगासिनो दं नै बुहुद मानसिफ्रा ना हमगासिनो दं नैबे इस्लाखाता गेटआव माइबारिबो दङ गोबां मानसिफ्रा ना हमगासिनो दं नायदो नै गथ'फोरबो हमदों लोगोफोर एक्सपार्ट गोजाखा दा बाहाय हमगासिनो दङ लोगोफोर मानसिफ्रा इस्लाखाता गेटआव नोंसोरबो जुदि ना हमनोबा इस्लाखाता गेटआव फैनो हागोन फुरा बारलि थारलि मोनजोबो आरो ना लोगोफोर फैनो हागोन नोंसोरबो नै लोगोफोर बिसोरो मुस्रिजों हमदों दाबो मोनाखै बिसोरो एसे मोनबाय होनना बुंदों खबाइसे जाबाय होनना बुंदों उठाव बिसोरो फुरा एक्सपार्टखा आदिबासि मानसि बे एरियानिनो थागिबि बिसोरो लोगोफोर बिथांमोना दा हमगासिनो दङ मुस्रिखौ साथेयो दैया फैयो बे दैया माने माइबारिनिफ्राय फैयो हाब्रु बायदि आरो फुरा मादि नुयो आरो ना बिदियाव फुरा बामि ना माबा मोनो ना फिथिख्रि नास्राय मोनो आरो दासिमबो मानसिफ्रा फुरा क्राउडेड लोगोफोर हमगासिनो दङ फुरा इन्जयेबोल बे टाइमा मानसिफ्रा दासिमबो हमगासिनो दङ ना नायदो नै जेरैथिंबो मानसिफोर ना हमनायल' नुगोन आरो ना सोरबा आखाइजों हमो जे साथेयो सोरबा आरो सिखा खंखाइफोरजोंबो दाननानै हमो लोगोफोर नायदो दाबो माब्रै बैबाव सासे गिदिर मोनथारदोंमोननो बामिखौ थोबायलै माथो नांबावगौ ना होमबालाय माथो नांबावगौ 5 केजि मोनबायनो मालाय आसला जाहैसिगोन बे मैथाजों लोगोफोर दासिमबो मानसिफ्रा हमगासिनो दं ना सोरबा थांबाय बाल्थिंसे गाहाम मोनबाय जोंहाथ' गैया दासो फैदों हमनोनो मोनाखिसै नै नायदो बोथोराबो मोजां सान्दुं गोसा फिसानो बाराबो सान्दुं गोसाबो नङा मानसिफ्रा फुरा बिजि नै दासिमबो हमगासिनो दं ना इस्लाखाता गेटआव फैनोबा नोंसोरबो फैनो हागोन दासिमबो मानसिफोर दङ बाहाय हमफैनो हागोन ना नाय हमगासिनो दं मानसिफ्रा गैया नामा आदै नै आदै मोना मोनाखैनो नाखौ दुखुनि बाथ्रा लोगोफोर नै गोथौथार बाहायबो आदै मोना नाखौनो मोनाखै जाहैदों सोरबा मोनबाय सोरबा मोनाखिसै बारलि थारलि मोनबाय आयौ हाबाब नै हाब्रुआबो गोथौथार दा जोङो बावनो दङ इस्लाखातायावनो मानसिफोरनि ना हमनायखौ नायगासिनो दं लोगोफोर सोरबा मोनबाय सोरबा मोनाखै नाय हाँ टावल खाइसे नाखि टावल खायासे खाइसे ना पाव नाय मास अलप सलप नाय आयौ गोथौथार नै पाव नाय बुन्दु मास अलप ना एक मना पाइसे नाखि खाइसे ना दासिमबो ना हमगासिनो दं मानसिफोरा नै फैनो हागोन इस्लाखातायाव दासिमबो हमगासिनो दं सोरबा गिदिर बारलि मोनथारबायनो बामि थामि मोनजोब्बाय नै आसोलफ्राबो मोनबावबायसो still they are collecting fish from this river that means lake guys and this lake is located in the Chirang district near the Lauti river guys if you want to see then come here in the Islakhata Swiss Gate guys इस्लाखाता सुइस गेटआव मानसिफ्रा दासिमबो ना सारगासिनो दं नै नाय खायसे ना बावनाय अलप This is the Islakhata Swiss Gate guys and this Islakhata Swiss Gate is located near the Lauti river you can come here crowded people are collecting fish look Adivasi Boro different tribes people are collecting fish all together guys at this time the weather is very lovely and clear and quiet look guys how people are collecting fish look some people are using netting and some people are collecting fish with their own hands look